Wow. Wow.
I was gonna say that, but I was like, I have a boyfriend.
Oh, break it down.
Oh crap, that was something I'm gonna see.
Hello.
Just soldier boy.
Hello. What?
What? What? I wasn't doing it.
On that camera. What?
Oh, I did.
What?
Is that yours?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I should really bring a camera next time. Yeah.
Maybe she's in the bathroom. Anybody seen Amy Hart?
Boy up in this wine me, crank that wine me.
Daddy's eating tacos.
Amy.
Okay.
He's like, he's like, what? Like, Alex, nope. Let me see that.
No.
Oh my gosh! Who's Army? Oh, those are Kathleen's. There's Kathleen's, all of them? Kathleen, where's Kathleen?
She's back there. Here, I'll give her some.
Oh, Jessica.
Damn.
Right here.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Not.
What is going on with this? Dude, you got all the curly haired boys on you.
I just want to say that you really are one of the most talented groups that I've ever worked with. I love you too. You guys deserve this, and I said from the beginning that Matt's is gonna have a really good year. I never I never thought anything different, but let me just say that how winning streaks happen is every time you win, you have to work twice as hard to win the next time. Because everybody else is now coming from a position of beating you as you're the front runner. Yeah? So it's easier to knock off the top person really than it is to stay the top person. And that's what top groups do. You just keep working harder and harder and harder and harder. There's so much that's right with your show. There's so many wonderful things that you're doing. Your tone quality was what I believe won it for you tonight. You have a beautiful, beautiful sound, more than any group here. We got a few low scores in some of our attacks and releases, in diction, some totally not things that are not clear and not together. We know that we have a lot of stuff to fix in the acapella, and that Topsy Turvy, boy, it's hard when you get to the end, isn't it? When you're really working. This was the first time tonight that I ever felt like you were winded on the acapella. So that means that you really kicked ass on Rio and Island, which is great, but then you can't sound winded on the acapella. So that means you have to rehearse Rio and Island full out from now on. You can no longer do anything less than you did tonight, so that you can practice the acapella and lowering your breath. And then when you get to Topsy Turvy, you have to take the energy all the way down to your pinky toe. You just have to dig real deep and give it all you've got, because we can't lose steam at the end of our show. And if we can't punctuate it out in the end, we're not, ultimately the show, whether or not we win or lose, it's about the show being successful, right? Like, you want to end that show and the audience is just roar, standing ovation kind of thing, right? That's what you want. So you've got to be able to get to the end of Topsy Turvy and just own it, own it, own it, own it, boom. And I know that we can get there, right? You know that you can get there.
Yeah. Roar.
But it actually takes a lot of hard work. So we're looking forward to a very successful, but also a very challenging year, because now it's kind of like the gauntlet is thrown down.
Bam.
You beat all these schools, and now you have to keep beating them and beating everybody else. So.
Burbank. Be Burbank. Be Burbank. Be Burbank. Be Burbank. Beat it.
We just congratulations, you deserve it. Please enjoy.
Thank you, Mr. Denny. Thank you, Mr. Denny. And sleep on the floor. Thank you. Thank you. We do have it. Matt, I love you so much. Shut up, Margie. Shut up, Margie. That's a lie. Stop breathing.
I love you, Margie.
Thank you. Stop breathing. Stop breathing. Everybody, can you say thank you to our prop girls who and our chaperones. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mr. Jenny. And Mr. Jenny. And Mrs. Jenny.
Players that drove 30 hours to play for you.
I hate you. I hate your guts. Jealous.
And also the tech crew that moved risers all day for you.
I know why Shannon's jealous.
Scary times.
We all know why Janet is.
We own.
We all know.
Sideways.
Because I feel like it. I feel like it.
Dude, how the hell does she know?
Okay, I got Cheetos.
You got puffed.
Cheetos.
You got puffed.
Cheetos poofs.
Because I don't like them. I do not like the Cheetos.
No me gusta.
I like the Cheetos of the hat. Of the
No joke. Like this, and then I was like, oh my God, she licked me. She licked me in tonight's performance. I licked me.
She did.
And we were like this.
Topsy.
I licked Shannon.
Licked her good.
She licked me. And you liked it. I licked my hand and I liked it. She licked it.
Hey. Calm down. Calm down.
Crackers and cheese. I want some crackers and cheese. A cracker. I am a cracker and cheese. Ew, my iPod's in my. Are we allowed to vote?
Hooray, I have the light on.
My new iPod, I got yesterday. My dad spoiled me, and he got dressed up. We go out today. We go out after school, and he take me and we drive in my mama in our car, and he take me to Best Buy, and he walked up to iPod and he said, pick one, and I said,